Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking shapes so proportions work. Draw a tall oval for the torso and a smaller circle on top for the head. Once done, add a vertical centerline and a horizontal eye line to place facial features symmetrically. Make light strokes so corrections are easy. This saves time later. Then rough in teardrop flippers and short stubby legs. These first steps set pose and balance, so adjust sizes until the silhouette reads clearly before committing to darker lines. You now refine the sketch into recognizable anatomy. Carve a small triangular beak on the eye line and place round eyes just above it. Once positioned, draw the white belly patch. Use a soft U-shape that meets the body midline. This creates the classic tuxedo look. Next, shape flippers with confident contour lines and add short webbed feet beneath the oval. Make sure to vary line weight for depth. Heavier lines on the foreground edges help the form read better. You complete the drawing by inking the final contours and erasing guidelines, taking care to preserve the lighter belly area. Once inked, add shading. Darken the back and flippers with cross-hatching or soft strokes and keep the belly bright to sell contrast. Add small highlights in the eye for life. If something looks off, check proportions. Reduce head size slightly or tweak flipper angle to correct posture. And if shading reads muddy, blend gently or lift tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.